Installing an I/O module board. To install the I/O module board, if the I/O board power cable and signal cable were removed, pull up the mylar fill. Route the I/O board power cable and signal cable, and then route the cables through the chassis hole on the bottom side of the node. Route the two cables into the cable clips. Stick the mylar film back on the node. Turn over the node so that the top side of the node facing up. Connect the I/O board power cable and signal cable to the system board. To install the I/O module board, align the I/O module board with the guide pins on the chassis. Lower the I/O module board down until it is firmly seated. Secure the I/O module board with 6 screws. Reconnect all the required cables to the same connectors on the I/O module board. Twist the I/O board signal cable as shown, and then connect the signal cable and the power cable to the I/O module board. If necessary, install the M.2 drive. Insert the M.2 drive into the connector at an angle. Gently press the other side of the M.2 drive down into place. Fasten the screw. Install the bottom cover. Align the bottom cover with the guiding slots on both sides of the chassis and then slide it forward until it is firmly seated. If necessary, reinstall the riser assembly. Reinstall the processor air baffle. Reinstall the air baffles. Reinstall the top cover.